Hi, I'm Amy with WTI, and this is the Think Creamy Peanut Butter Protein Bar. This is an amazing snack to have. It's fantastic for pre or post workouts, just to throw in your kid's backpack, have in your purse. It's really great at sustaining you throughout the day. And what I really like about this is that it's not overly sweet. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, I already cut it in half. My son wanted to eat it right away. But that's what it looks like. All right, I'll take a bite. It has a really nice flavor to it. The chocolate coating, the peanut butter on the inside. This is packed with protein. You get 20 grams. And on top of it, there's no artificial sugar. It's non-GMO. So this is a really great snack that will really help to get you through those periods between meals. And you can even use it as a meal replacement. My kids love this too. I think that your family will too. But that's just my point of view.